Have you ever wondered how some people turn a few dollars into thousands, sometimes even millions, seemingly overnight in the world of crypto? What if I told you there's a hidden gateway where those opportunities are born before they hit the mainstream? A place where early believers get in before the hype, before the news, and before the market explodes? If I told you there's a secret weapon the crypto elite are using to spot the next Dogecoin before it moons, you think meme coins are just jokes? Think again. Behind every Shiba Inu or Pepe that pumps 10,000%, there's a Launchpad lighting the fuse. Today I'm breaking down the meme coin Launchpad matrix, so strap in, hit subscribe, and let's turn hype into generational wealth. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to spot the next moonshot and avoid the landmines. Today, Wealth Warriors, we're diving into the underground world of meme coin Launchpads, a space that has created explosive wealth, wild communities, and untold stories of success. But here's the twist. It's not just about hype and memes, it's about strategy, timing, and access. If you're watching this right now, you're not just here to laugh at internet coins. You're here to learn how to position yourself smartly in the next big wave of digital wealth. And trust me, you're in the right place. So, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment sharing your favorite meme coin, and share this with someone who needs to stop sleeping on crypto. This is about to get deep. Let's start with a simple but powerful question. What is a meme coin launchpad? A meme coin launchpad is a platform that gives early-stage access to meme-based cryptocurrencies before they go public. Imagine a rocket launch site, but instead of sending satellites into space, it's launching digital tokens into the market. These platforms allow new meme coin projects to raise funds, build a community, and gain visibility. At the same time, they give everyday investors like you and me the chance to be part of the journey from the very beginning. So why are meme coin launchpads gaining so much popularity? The answer is simple. Meme coins are powered by community and viral momentum. They don't always rely on utility in the traditional sense, though some are evolving toward that. Instead, they explode through social influence, pop culture trends, and internet hype. The earlier you get in, the higher your chances of catching that wave. Launchpads are the doors to that early access. But let's keep it real. Let's talk benefits versus risks. On one side, life-changing gains, bragging rights at your next crypto meetup, and joining a tribe of visionaries who see value in the culture behind these coins. On the other side, rug pulls, devs ghosting with your cash and losing your shirt if you FOMO into the wrong project. But warriors, and listen close, high risk means high reward. The trick isn't avoiding risk, it's managing it. And by the time we're done today, you'll know how to play this game smart. With great opportunity comes great risk. Investing in meme coin launchpads can be rewarding, but it can also be chaotic. There are pumps and dumps, rug pulls, and projects that disappear into thin air. This is why, honestly, knowledge and caution are your best allies in this space. Now let's talk about some of the most popular meme coin launchpads out there right now. First up, Polkastarter. Known for its multi-chain flexibility, this launchpad is built to support serious projects with real community backing. It has a strong reputation for vetting projects before they go live, which offers a layer of protection for investors. But due to its credibility, competition is tough. Getting into the whitelist isn't easy, and you often need to stake their native token to even participate. Then there's BSCPad, which operates on the Binance Smart Chain. It's user-friendly, has lower transaction fees, and is more accessible to retail investors. For people who are just getting started with launchpads, BSCPad offers a smoother entry point. However, it can sometimes feature projects that don't go through as much scrutiny, so you have to do your homework before jumping in. Each launchpad has its own mechanics, benefits, and challenges. Some require you to hold and stake native tokens to participate, while others use tiered systems where your allocation is based on your contribution. Understanding these systems is crucial if you want to navigate them effectively. Now, let's say you're a developer or founder looking to launch a meme coin. Choosing the right launchpad can make or break your project. There are a few key factors you must consider. One of the biggest is community support. Is the Launchpad known for having a strong, active, and engaged investor base? If not, your project might get lost in the noise. Tokenomics are another critical factor. You need to ensure the Launchpad's economic model supports long-term sustainability instead of short-term profit grabs. Also, look at the Launchpad's history. Have they supported successful projects in the past? Or are they riddled with failed tokens that vanished after launch? If you're an investor looking to buy into meme coin launches, here's what you need to know. First, do your due diligence. Never invest in a project just because it's trending on Twitter or Reddit. Read the white paper, join the Telegram or Discord groups, ask questions, watch how the community interacts. Are the developers present? Are people genuinely excited, or is it just noise? Second, practice proper risk management. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. This isn't financial advice, it's just, common sense. The meme coin space is volatile. It can go up fast, but it can also crash in seconds. Third, diversify. Don't put all your capital into one token or one launchpad. Spread your bets. Look for multiple promising projects and, monitor their performance. Diversification won't eliminate risk, but it will reduce the impact of a single bad investment. Because here's the truth, some meme coins launched through these platforms have delivered astronomical returns, but for every winner, there are dozens that failed to deliver. This is a high-risk, high-reward game. If you want to win, you need to move smart, not just fast. Let's bring it all together. Meme coin launchpads are the front lines of crypto innovation and culture. They are chaotic, exciting, and full of potential. Platforms like Polkastarter and BSCPad have opened doors for creators and investors alike. But the key is understanding how they work, where the risks lie, and how to position yourself for long-term success. The future of meme coin launchpads is still unfolding. As regulations evolve and communities grow smarter, we're going to see more structured, secure, and community-driven platforms emerge. And those who study the space, who get in early and stay informed, will be the ones who build real wealth. If you want to go deeper into specific launchpads or learn how to build your own project from scratch, stay locked in. We've got more content coming that will guide you every step of the way. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment with your thoughts. What's your favorite launchpad? Or which meme coin are you watching right now? And don't forget to share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Because at the end of the day, wealth warriors, we're not just chasing coins, we're building financial freedom one smart move at a time. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep